V20 Impact Wrench. This is the first impact that I've seen that put out a lot more power than what it's rated for. It put out almost, well, you'll see, it put out almost 80 foot-pounds more torque than what's on the box. And I don't know what the reason for that is. I'm going to guess that it's rated with a smaller amp hour battery, and maybe a 1.5 or 2 amp hour. And it's just putting out a lot more power than what it's rated for. So after using it a little bit, it is quite big. This is probably one of the bigger impact wrenches that I've seen in a while. And it's kind of rattly. It is a brushed motor. But it was able to do some pretty basic work with no issues. So seems like a good buy for the price. And I think it's in the same category as like a Ryobi P261 or a Rigid, the mid torque impact. And I have some video here. You can check it out. Hey guys, just a Craftsman V20 Impact Wrench, 3-year limited warranty, 350 foot-pounds of torque, hog ring anvil. So OSHA approved. Variable speed trigger, LED light. Not much else. So let's open it up, take a look. This is some of the nicest packaging I've ever seen an impact wrench come in. Usually they're just thrown in the boxes and you have to pick everything out. Look, it's all cut out for it. So here is the charger. Here's the battery, 4 amp hour. That is actually kind of neat. So it's different from DeWalt. Did you see that? It has a delay on it. So if you look at a DeWalt battery, DeWalt batteries don't have the delay. What a pain in the ass. So when you have the tool, you have to like hold this down, then look at it, then let go. DeWalt batteries are the only ones like that have no delay. You press it and it goes off. This has a nice delay. That is pretty neat. Here is the Impact. It's huge. Look at that really nice hog ring. Tapered with the O-ring underneath. So you can smell the brushes already. That smell should go away. There's the light. It's just a cheap LED. It's not very bright. So I'm going to charge this battery and then we'll test it out.